Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to record and send Memoji on iPhone or iPad. First of all, open your messages and open the specific conversation where you want to send the Memoji and tap on this Memoji icon, tap on this plus icon and now customize your Memoji from here. You can select your skin tone, hairstyle, brows. So customize your Memoji from here. Once it's done, tap on done. Tap on this red button to record your Memoji. And tap on send. That's how we can record and send Memoji on iPhone or iPad. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.